What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to use the creative link element from Ultimate Addons for WPBakery page builder WordPress plugin. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. So let's get this started. First thing, make sure that you have WPBakery WordPress plugin installed on our site and the Ultimate Addons WordPress plugin installed on our site. In the case that you don't know how to install those plugins, let me know in the comments. After this, go to the WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, go to page. I'm gonna create a new page, but you can go to a previously built page, no problem. If you click on create new page, you're gonna see this tab right here. You're gonna need to click on WPBakery page builder button. This is gonna load you the WordPress classic editor, and you're gonna have two options, front-end editor and back-end editor. For most of the Ultimate Addons elements, I recommend you the back-end editor, okay? So then go to the default layout in the case that you want to see your website menu and website footer, or go to the blank layout in the case that you are creating a landing page without menus, without logo, without footer, okay? Up to you. Then you're gonna have three options. I'm gonna click on add element. Then I'm gonna scroll down. The elements that you're gonna be able to see right here change according to the plugins that you are using, okay? But this is a default one for Ultimate Addons, okay? So nothing to worry. You can scroll down until you find the element. Here we go. There is the creative link. Or if you have viewed the upper right corner of your screen, there is a search box. You can type right here creative link, and you're gonna be able to see this element. Click on it. And first you need to enter a title for this. My link. Then you're gonna need to enter a link, okay? In my case, I'm gonna link to a test page, just like this. Of course, you can enter with the link manually right here. You can make the link open to a new tab. You can add new follow option to the link, up to you, okay? Then you're gonna need to choose the style. We have 10 styles. Let's choose the style one so I can share with you. Link color, link hover color. Let me change the link hover color for a purple one, for example. The alignment of the link, and then we have typography. We can use the font family. We can make the link bold, italic. You can change the size of the link, for example, just like this. Let me just click into edit this raw button to apply some padding top, okay, between the header of your site and the element. Now let's preview the results we got. Here is the creative link style, okay? Let's choose another style and make it a little bigger. Style 2, and now move to typography and make it bigger. Can you see the link difference? Nice effect. Hover a mouse over it, click onto the pencil, and choose the style 3. You have 10 styles to play with, and this can make you create a more attractive links, more attractive ways to make people convert on your site, on your landing page, okay? So there is a couple of elements right here, couple of styles that you can play with. Choose the best, the better switch for your needs, okay? Play with the background colors and other things to make you have the results you want, okay? After doing all your changes, always remember to hit the publish button into the upper right corner of your screen into this editor page, or hit the update button, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the